Let's read book.
Let's read books.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, you bought a new bag?
Mm.
That's a beautiful bag.
Oh. Oh.
Where are the books?
Oh, baby's crying.
Baby's crying.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, baby, you go away. Michelle is going to study her books. Shaitan, we don't put foot on the bag. No, it's a bad habit.
That's what's there.
Yeah, you take it.
You bad girl.
You bad?
You bad book.
No, you bad bag. You say that. Okay,
Huh?
wait. I can't see your books. Where are your books?
Honey, no, there he is.
Ah, there they are. And are there any books in the bag also?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, open the bag then. No, there is no book. There is another zip, I think. Oh, yes. There they are. You didn't know that zip there.
Okay. Oh, under.
Yeah, that there.
Mom, what's painting book? Uncle's painting book.
Painting book?
Mm-hmm.
No, there. Oh, yes, this is a social study book. This is English book. And what is this? Oh my god, what is this? Oxford Dictionary. Oh my god, when did you buy a dictionary? It's not your age to study a dictionary.
Your book?
What is this? What is this, John? Baby, what is this book?
Painting book. Mm.
Painting book?
Mm. Oh, oh.
Oh my god, John, you have so many books. Look, the Apple Pie ABC book. This is the Junior Artist book. This is painting book. See? And
This is other painting book.
yes, Junior Artist too. And-
make dirty pants.
Dirty what?
Look.
Dirty hands?
Hmm.
No, that she has. I think she has color on her hands. And this is the phonic books.
Mama,
Fun with phonics.
Mama, pink, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, yellow, purple, green, blue,
What is this, John? What is this?
red,
Baby, this is dictionary. You say
dictionary.
no, that's wrong.
But dictionary.
No, not Mary. It's nary. You say okay. Let's split the syllables. Dictionary.
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 Perfect. Yeah, that's good. Okay, a dictionary is a book where we find, the whole vocabulary thing. Okay? Vocabulary. You say vocabulary. Michelle, you say vocabulary. Baby. Michelle, what am I saying? You say vocabulary.
I really.
No, let's split the word. Vocab.
What's one colorful?
You want to do the colors now? No, it's time to. Why don't we read the Urdu book today? Okay. Yes, Michelle knows Urdu also. Hey, mera Urdu kaida.
No, I Urdu.
You don't like Urdu?
I don't like painting.
You want to do painting?
Mhm.
Oh, okay, then where are your colors?
I don't know.
Okay, do you want to
Oh, what's
paint
something
this?
in the table?
Something in the table?
Yeah.
I think you left your colors at the tuition center, at a teacher house. I think you left your colors at the teacher house. You go to the teacher and you bring your colors back, okay?